Hi, I'm Andy, Product Training Manager at Geberit UK. If you're thinking of coming along to the Installer Show, come pay us a visit where we will be demonstrating our Geberit FlowFit range. What that looks like is a jaw, which does a range of fittings from 16 up to 40mm. And it also consists of our press tool with said jaw. We also have our multi-layer pipe, which is, as you can see, really bendy. And we also have, that work in conjunction with that pipe work, our own fittings. Once we take the plastic caps off the fittings, you can see, as I push in, that there are two viewing windows to show that it's fully housed into the fittings. Once I have also bent my pipe and got a shape that I like, I can start to put this all together. Now, with our fittings and our jaws, they go together like lock and key. So I'm just going to push this round onto there, and once I'm satisfied, I'm now going to press my jaw and squeeze that off, which you can see was really quick. Because I have these viewing windows, I can see that everything is completely inserted. And just like that, I have now got my Geberit G. So come visit us on stand 4F17, where you'll learn all about the features and benefits of our Geberit FlowFit. Have a go yourself, and even grab a free t-shirt. See you there.